Hello and welcome to the latest update from the Met Office. Warmer, drier and brighter weather is on the way for the final week of summer, but for the north at least, over the next couple of days, certainly through Wednesday night, more wet weather to come. Further south, that's where we keep clear skies, a thoroughly pleasant evening to come for southern parts of England and South Wales. But for northern England, as well as southern Scotland, rain will push through. It is arriving into northern England through the evening, and then it slows down, and that wet weather then becomes prolonged and heavy at times over the hills of northwest England, with Cumbria seeing over some of the higher peaks 50 to 80 millimetres. Now further north across Scotland and Northern Ireland, following a wet afternoon and early evening, here skies clear. We keep a brisk breeze and further showers into northwest Scotland, but some clear spells developing as well. However, the longest clear spells will be across central and southern England, South Wales, and here with light winds, while temperatures in some sheltered spots falling into the single figures, with a few mist and fog patches forming. You can just see a hint of those there in the far south first thing Thursday. That's where an area of high pressure is, and as this weather front moves into that high pressure, it tends to weaken and fizzle out. But another weather front on its way, moving in for the second half of Thursday. In fact, that will bring wet weather quite swiftly into Northern Ireland for the Thursday morning rush, and there'll be further dribs and drabs of rain for Northern England and North Wales before the steady and heavy rainfall across Northern Ireland pushes into western and southern Scotland as well as Northern England. North East Scotland escaping largely dry and bright, but with a few showers and a continued breeze. Meanwhile, across much of central and southern UK, bright spells or even sunny spells, particularly across southern parts of England once any early fog patches have cleared. Another breezy day in the north, and once that rain sets in, because these winds are moisture laden, well, they will deposit an awful lot of rainfall over the hills of western Scotland in particular and suppress the temperatures here. But elsewhere, actually those temperatures are on the rise, and they're going to continue to rise into the weekend. First, we have to say goodbye to this rain, though, and it will take some time because it's going to linger there across western Scotland into Thursday evening. You can see it slowly nudging northwards and petering out across southern Scotland by the end of the night. Just a few spots there across the hills of the southern uplands and the Pennines. Some patchy cloud around western areas, but good clear spells again. And with light winds, I think we'll see a bit more mist and fog developing by the start of Friday across, say, central and southern parts of England. So some poor visibility on the roads first thing Friday under this area of high pressure. But what's happening as we end the week is the whole pattern becomes reorientated. Rather than systems moving west to east, they start to move south to north. And that means we clear the rain northwards, but we also bring in warmer and brighter air from the continent. We'll start off with that poor visibility, but it will soon clear across southern areas on Friday, and then increasingly dry, bright, sunny weather developing across England and into Wales through the day, and the rain across northwest Scotland finally clearing out of the way. A wet day to come for the Northern Isles and the far north of Scotland, but otherwise brightening skies, the cloud developing holes in it, and it's going to turn warmer as a result, temperatures into the low to mid-20s fairly widely. And that warming and brightening trend continues into the weekend. And of course, you can find out more on what the weather's doing for this weekend, a bank holiday for many people, via the Met Office 10-day trend and via the Met Office social media channels. Bye-bye.